In the past 3 months, I was able to exponentially grow this website up to ranking for over 19,000 keywords. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to increase one specific keyword from ranking around 15th to 16th to now ranking number 5 and getting a 2,000 plus change and increase in search volume per month. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is the keyword in which we went after, and as you can see, it is a very tough keyword with a keyword difficulty of 29 and a search volume of over 40,000 searches per month. And as you can see here, we rank number 5, and this is just one of the rankings that we rank for. We rank for a lot of keywords for a lot of different in a lot of different areas and keywords that are high difficulty. Let's talk about what we did to achieve this. So I first initially wrote this article a couple of months ago, but then I updated it on June 6th, and today is the 10th, so a couple of days ago. And we can see that because of this update, we can see previously, before June 3rd, it's been up 2,000 search volume, and that I believe is directly correlated to what we did. So this is the strategy that I recommend you doing. You write a lot of articles, and the ones that start ranking 10 to 15, then you go ahead and optimize those articles a little bit further. So the first thing that I did was I went ahead and created a custom HTML element. So as we can see, this is an interactive guide in which you can use, there's visual features and you can book a assessment. There's a self-check tool. You can go ahead and click any of these common symptoms, click check my symptoms, and it's going to tell you sort of like based upon your inputs, it's going to give you a sort of diagnosis. Then there's developmental stages and there's prevention tips. So what I did was essentially I put all of the blog posts into an interactive guide that someone can use. We also went ahead and created a custom sticky that you can click, and it's going to go to the contacts that's going to help you with your conversion rate or to send people over to whatever link you like them to go to. But as you can see here, this is all done very, very easily using AI. We also went ahead and created custom images. So I simply used ChatGPT's images. I pasted in the blog post and I said, hey, based upon this blog post, create relevant images, and the images were able to be created. I did use my tool WordRocket to generate the article. It made the content creation much, much easier. All I did was enter in my blog post topic, and then I included the custom HTML element and included images using my OpenAI API key, and the full article was generated at once. If you want to check out my tool, just head over to WordRocket.ai. You can try it for completely free. Now, this is one of the prompts in which I used to generate the sticky button call to action. So I told it to create a self-contained HTML sticky button that says book a free consultation on the right side of the blog post. Create in doc type HTML, very important, that does not mess up the format of the existing webflow page, and make sure to match the content the style with the website. I went ahead and pasted in an image of the current website. So this is something which I'll be implementing on WordRocket, where you can create custom HTML elements. For now, you have to use a tool like Claude. I recommend Claude as the best tool, but as you can see here, it actually went ahead and let's see if we click on any one of these. Sometimes the previews doesn't work after the fact, but as you can see, it actually, all you have to do is copy over the code and paste that into your web page. And the sticky, as you can see here, will be on the right-hand side. And again, if you want to create these custom HTML elements, like the ones in which I was showing you, like this visual element, you can use Claude again and tell it to create a custom HTML element in doc type HTML. That's what creates it into the simple doc type HTML. You just copy this over and paste it in as an HTML block. Create a custom HTML element, make it self-contained, make it well-designed and relevant for this blog post, and I just pasted in the blog post in which I wanted to create that element for. And as you can see here, it will create a beautiful element for you. It's clickable, it looks great, and you can sort of tell it what you would like it to design, or you can kind of leave it up to the AI to design the visual content for you. So again, here is another HTML element in which you can tell it to create, which is a floating call to action. You can tell it to create a timeline for you. You can tell it to create a calculator. Again, just based upon the actual content in which you're creating, or whatever HTML elements make the most sense. Upgrade your FAQs by creating an FAQ accordion style that will open up as you click the simple FAQs. So a lot of different things in which you can do. I will leave a link in the description below today's video with the prompts that I use to generate these custom HTML elements. So again, to go over the strategy, create as much content as you can around the topics within your niche. Make sure they're really good. For a fast way to do so, you can use WordRocket. We even have the bulk blog post generation mode. Create as many articles as you can, and the articles that start ranking, that's not where you're going to go into these articles. Create new custom images, create new custom HTML elements, really upgrade the articles as much as you can, and then that should take the articles up a little bit higher in ranking. And if you want to get them even higher, again, just do the same thing, create as much custom HTML elements, include videos, images, and those articles will rank. As you can see, again, this website is a testament to that. AI content definitely ranks on Google. This is all AI written, but again, you have to do it in the method that I showed you guys. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, if you'd like to check out my tool, you can check it out in the description below today's video. Any questions about this website, let me know in the comments below. Take care.